I like to take bite-sized pieces so that it's a little easier to work with. I like to get that stuck down on one side and go ahead and put a fastener in it and pull that down the rest of the way. Once you get the one side stuck down, come to the other side, rinse and repeat. After the ice and water shield is on all of the valleys, now we're going to go back with go on with our paper. And this goes tight to all of your edges. Like so. After we're completely done with the synthetic felt, we're going to come to this area and put ice and water shield up against the penetrations.